Hi students, a sanctum, or more commonly the inner sanctum. Okay, the inner sanctum is a private place. This is a room where you are never interrupted. So yeah, I took my girlfriend into my inner sanctum. Okay, the inner sanctum, this is the private place where you are free, that people aren't going to break in on you. So yeah, my bedroom is my inner sanctum. It's my holy place. Yes, let's see, the sanctum, it comes from the phrase Sanctum Sanctorum in Latin, which actually means the holy of the holies in the Jewish temple. So it's the holiest place in a Jewish temple. But we use this sanctuary or inner sanctuary to talk about a person's most private retreat, their private sanctuary. So I've been to the house many times, and the butler has left me waiting in the hall. I've never as yet been invited into the inner sanctum, into the private place of the family. So his bedroom is his inner sanctum. It's almost like a holy place where other people never go. Or maybe, for example, I'm thinking 10 Downing Street, where the Prime Minister lives. I'm sure the Prime Minister has an inner sanctum, a private place from which almost everybody is excluded. I took her into my inner sanctum and gave her something to eat and something to drink. It's like a retreat. It's almost like a hiding place. It's a place where nobody is going to go. So the sanctum of the CEO of the company. This is a place where you don't go in there unless you're actually invited in. The other person says come in. This is a person's private place. It may be secret, but this is a place where they can be quiet. They can be alone. They don't have to deal with people. This is like their den or their hideaway. The sanctum in itself is supposed to be the holiest place in a temple or a mosque, for example. But that itself is quite technical. Yeah, a sanctum is a room of total privacy. That it's a place where people don't go in. It's a place where you're not going to be disturbed. Yeah, so it's almost like your personal holy place. I was once allowed into his inner sanctum. My presence in his inner sanctum was a sign of how much he esteemed me. Okay, so the inner sanctum of the house, a place which is private. This is a place where nobody goes. So I withdrew to my inner sanctum, where the children would never go. So maybe into my private office or something like that. Okay, so it's just effectively a private place where people don't go. It's effectively a private place. Maybe the your secretary is outside your inner sanctum, and this is a place which is private. Okay, so as I said, sanctum from Latin, that which is holy. It's a holy place. And so the inner sanctum, I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Although, could you use it informally? I think you could probably just about use it informally. It's probably better for something semi-formal writing. But you could semi-formal writing, or anything very formal. So sanctum, inner sanctum.